Well, well, well. It looks like you are looking for some anime clothes. And by you, I mean me from like 4 years ago. So let me just begin by saying that most of what I've got is like officially licensed from the anime studio or parent company or whatever they're called, but that means it's kind of pricey, so you gotta save up. So first there's Uniqlo. They do like seasonal drops and stuff, so you gotta keep checking their site often. And to find all the clothes quickly, just search up manga in the search bar and they should all be there. So I've got a couple from Tokyo Ghoul, I've got a few from One Piece, the recent One Piece drop, and the recent Jujutsu drop. So yeah, I've got a few of these. Quality is great, and better yet, the cotton does not come from the North region of China, so that's great. The designs go from like subtle icons to like the generic rectangles you see on AliExpress and the other pages. The fit itself is pretty expected. If you're a medium, get a medium. You have a little bit of hair to work with, so it fits like you would expect. The prices, you know, like I said, the prices, it's like that. But Uniqlo's one of those bigger chains, so they have like sales and stuff every now and then. You just have to check and get lucky, I guess. Like my Tokyo Ghoul ones, I didn't really expect to buy them. Then I saw the sale. They were both $10, so I don't want to say I'm a bargain hunter, but you know. Whereas the other One Piece and Jujutsu ones were, they were not cheap. But overall, Uniqlo is a good place to get anime clothing. And I only go on the Canadian website because of Canada, but I know for a fact that the US website has a lot more options. Okay, the next place is Zumiez. I know, okay, I know, but hear me out. Zumiez has a lot of collaborations with anime and streetwear companies. I don't really know any of the streetwear companies, but the designs are great, so that's what I'm gonna say. I only have 3 things from them, 1 full sleeve from Dragon Ball and 2 half sleeves from JoJo's. For sizes, it's a little tighter than your normal expectation, so if you want a looser fit, definitely size up, because if you're a medium, you're gonna be skin tight medium. Quality is also great. But the designs, I like them a lot better than Uniqlo's designs because they're a lot more emboldened, but they are significantly more expensive. Like a regular shirt at Uniqlo would be like $25, and a shirt from Zumiez that's also half sleeve would probably be like $35, I think. They do have sales more often though, like they mostly do buy one get one half off, so maybe you could snag something good there. Also, one thing to note is they don't do seasonal drops. They always keep them in stock, and they do like restocks and stuff. So you don't have to buy it immediately as you see it. You can wait, and I recommend you wait for a sale. So overall, Zumiez, if you have patience and you're not impulsively trying to buy immediately, they're pretty good. You should go for them. Now, straight from the source, we have the Crunchyroll store. The quality is the exact same as the others. It's just great. There's no difference. It's all good. But their designs, in my opinion at least, are a lot better than both Zumiez and Uniqlo. Uniqlo has more subtle and less flashy designs, whereas Zumiez has more bold, but not like overboard flashy designs. But the Crunchyroll store kinda has a mix of these. But again, that comes with the price. Overall, they're more expensive than both Uniqlo and Zumiez, so you might end up dropping maybe $50 on just one shirt. So they do have sales pretty often, but you have to keep checking because some sales are absolutely garbage while some are just Sugoi. That's cringe. And they also have restocks, so it's not like Uniqlo again. It's like Zumiez where, you know, they keep them in stock unless it's like a limited special release exclusive, whatever, all that crap. Then it's gonna run out. It doesn't run out too quick, but they don't restock those. So yeah, overall, if you find something you like that's on sale, I think it's a pretty good deal. The last thing is a much more independent source. They go by the name of Animato on Instagram. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not. They're definitely not official or licensed merchandise or whatever, anything by that sort, and I'm pretty sure it's a one-man team. But not only are these designs embroidered, not like printed or anything, they're embroidered, but the quality is insane. Like out of all the ones that I mentioned, the quality of these hoodies, and like I only have one shirt, but the hoodies, whew, is good. You just have to be a little careful with the design because sometimes the design looks kind of bootleg and you don't really want to get a design like that. Some of them, they look pretty good, but some of them don't. The fit is usually a more baggier fit than you're used to, so if you want like a tight fit and you're a medium, you should probably get a small, because I wear medium and I got mediums. They're pretty baggy. Sadly, the biggest deterrent is the price because they're crazy expensive. Like one hoodie will set you back anywhere from 70 to 100 Canadian. Not only that, they're done in drops, so you have to really be notified and on top of the page to know when the next drop is coming. The longest I've ever seen anything stay in stock was like 10 minutes. So you gotta be quick. There's a pretty limited availability. And depending where you are or what the product is, it will take you a while to ship. Like one of them, the crew neck that I have, the Karapika crew neck, it took, I'm not even kidding, 2 days to ship. Whereas my one-piece ones with Luffy and Shanks, those took about 5 months, like August of last year, and I got them in January of this year. Overall though, if they're dropping a design you like, for an anime you like, and you can afford it, then I think you should go ahead and pick it up. They're pretty good, and the quality is insane, so it'll last you a long time. Well, that's all I got. I hope that answers all your questions. Me from 5 years ago. Start saving up so you can buy and then make a video like this for me, for you, for me 5 years ago. Anyway, I'm gonna go and watch Eren Yeager commit even more genocide.